to introduce Carol Kavish, who's part of the L&A Studio Tour, taking place September 9th and 10th. And what do you do, Carol?
I do large scale, mostly large scale. I know I have a small one in front of me, but mostly large scale paintings in acrylic with lots of color and depth. I also do weavings and remake some furniture.
Now tell me about your lovely location out here.
So we're in Northbrook, or just outside of Northbrook. We're right on Highway 41, so it's an amazing location for cottage country and visitors. Yeah, right outside town. We have a lovely house on some acreage. We have alpacas, nice livestock guardian dog, and yeah, it's a nice spot.
Now, what's the name of the painting you have in front of you?
It's called Retina.
Retina. Now, do you have a story behind that? Like how you got started, or how was your process?
So I got started painting probably just over 10 years ago, and basically just a creative outlet. And yeah, I love painting with a lot of depth and color, a lot of texture. Yeah.
And so how long have you been doing this?
Just over 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah, just over 10 years.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
And you like textures, it looks like, right?
Yes, yeah, like lots of texture.
And do you have alpacas in the backyard?
We do. We have 3 beautiful little boys.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you, Carol, for letting us into your studio.
Of course. Glad to have you.